Enjoy the view of this 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Tahoe delivers the power and capability of a full-size SUV, state-of-the-art technology to keep you safe and connected, a serene cabin loaded with amenities, and impressive fuel efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, hands-free liftgate, keyless start, lane keeping assist, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, satellite radio. Escape to the calm, capable oasis of the Tahoe. Take it for a test drive.